I was cleaning out one of my hard drives recently and I stumbled across this folder. It was footage from a junk journal workshop I went to almost a year ago that I never finished editing. Life got busy, we went on a trip shortly after, and this project slowly disappeared into a folder on my computer. Until now. This workshop was hosted by Flora Culture here in Houston, and one of the reasons it means so much to me is because my brother helped put it together. Seeing someone take an idea, invite people into a space, and actually make it happen is something that's always inspired me. It wasn't a huge event, there were only a few of us there, but honestly, I think that's what made it special. It just felt like a group of people getting together to create. At the time, I was still pretty new to junk journaling, and I remember one idea sticking with me the entire afternoon. Don't overthink it. If you like that scrap piece of paper, glue it down. If you have a receipt from a good day, keep it. If you printed a photo that you love, find a spot for it. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to exist. But now, if I have a sticker I like, or a receipt from somewhere memorable, or a photo I want to print, I just add it to the page. I don't worry about whether it's in the right order or if it fits perfectly. I just want those little pieces of life to live in my notebooks instead of sitting in a drawer somewhere. I don't write every single day, but I write several times a week, and I know that whenever I need to slow down or process something, my journal is always waiting for me. Looking back, it's kind of funny. The lesson from the workshop was to stop overthinking and just create. And then I let this video sit unfinished for almost a year. So I figured I'd finally finish it. Not because it's perfect, but because I don't want these memories sitting on a hard drive forever. Sometimes you just have to glue it down and get after it. Thanks for watching. Peace.